Got milk, bitch, got beef, got steak, ho, got cheese, got great A-ho, not lean, got me A1, sauce please. These heifers got nothing on me. Steaks high, need a side of.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off on freshly washed, blow dried and air dried hair. I mainly blow dried the edges or the perimeter of my hair so it will lay down slicker, and I'm just using a ponytail holder so I can pull out those baby hairs. Now if you're starting this, I would recommend pulling out more baby hairs because I have a big forehead, so if your forehead is any size similar to mine, you want to do more baby hairs and or swoops. I'm using Eco Styler gel, just a dime size, to start laying down the edges, the front, the back, trying to get it slick. I am natural, so this wasn't a smart decision for me because the Eco Styler gel kind of made my hair wave up, and I should have stuck with the Got To Be glue or beeswax. So it didn't give me that super chic look that I was going for, but you know, it worked out. I'm just putting my hair back into a bun and then laying those edges down a little bit more and brushing it. I got this brush from the beauty supply store. There's a hard side and then there's a soft side that I use for my edges to pull those out. Ignore my hair looking like a fan, a little fan hairstyle, or a broom, looking like one of those girls that's trying to fight everybody, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm just using some Got To Be glue to lay the edges down again, and then after that I'm gonna go through and start on my baby hairs, which were really baby hairs, and I definitely should have pulled out more. But yeah, I'm struggling trying to get that ponytail. Look at the struggle. So yeah, this is a edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store. Honestly, I prefer my toothbrush. This one is a little bit more harder. So it's not a baby hair brush. It is an edge brush if you pull out more actual hair, because it was a little bit more harder. And then you can see like brown stuff in it. It's like mixing it with my makeup. So don't judge me, judge your mother. Gotta lay those edges down. So I'm just using my little scarf. Now this is the bundle of the Shakengo Organique. It's the body wave, and that one that I have is a 28-inch. I'm gonna use 2 bundles of it, and then I'm gonna separate the tracks, and then I'm just adding them together by braiding the 2 of the opposite side. So now that the tracks are double wefted, so I don't have to keep going and going and going. It's already like double wefted, and I'm just gonna wrap that braid around that itty bitty weeny teeny little bun up there so that my hair can lay secured. So I'm just wrapping underneath and then wrapping on top, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the second bundle. It's just the same thing over and over again. And then that's the second bundle. Off camera, I actually pulled the bun up some more. I take this off. Look at this talent. But I take the hair and the bun off, and I pull it up a little bit more because it was just too far back. And there you have it. Chic little hairstyle. I'm just using a little bit of powder so that my hair won't look all shiny and fake, and that is all there is to it.
Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just put the same $50 in your pocket. I ain't gonna play with it. That's her. Oh, baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just put the same $50 in your pocket.
So hi guys, welcome back. This is the final look. Really quick before we get started, all my big forehead girls, let me give you a quick bit of advice. Now normally I don't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and, no, I'm just kidding. But normally I don't do like high buns or ponytails. I haven't done some in like years. But what I will say is pull out more hair for baby hairs, or do like more swoops, maybe like within here, like maybe like swoop it, or like a part.
It's 2 o'clock.
Or like a part, or like something like that. I think that goes better. And what you guys didn't see is that I actually moved my bun up some because I put it back some because I didn't know if I put it up, it'd just be sitting on my head looking weird. But because I see some people's and theirs was up high and I just didn't like it. But if you do have a big forehead like me, it's better to put it up because it was looking kind of weird when it was far back. A lot of the body is at the end, which is fine too, but I wanted some more up towards the actual ponytail. I broke my toenail. So I really like it. It's like a lot of attitude, a lot of fierceness. It's a good, honestly, I feel like it's a good summer look, but summer's ending, so, but it's still hot outside, so you consider this. But I did this because I watched the Leah J's and I was like, oh, that's cute, I want to do that. But I wanted to do like a curly type version, and I actually wanted it to be like a bigger curl than this ponytail, so I took it out. Oh, I bought some contacts. I actually got these from Beauty Supply because I thought that this would go good with this look. Because I know y'all feel like, girl, you don't have green eyes. Green exam, okay? You know they know, ma'am. But I thought this would be like a look like Spanish fly. Maria, Maria.